and welcome to this week's version of Techy Tuesday. We're going to continue on a little bit about Schoology. Last week's episode, we showed how to link your accounts in Schoology. This is really great for those Access students and for us who do professional development through the State Department where you have two Schoology accounts. It's really helpful to know that you can do that. I just simply went underneath my name, went to Settings, and selected Link Accounts. And I typed in my username for my other account and then selected link the account, made sure to put in the other school name or whatever else that went with that, and I was able to link those accounts. That's a great tip or trick. But today we're going to talk a little bit about some things you can do in courses. So there's things you may not know. In Schoology, nothing is ever deleted. So the good thing to know is if you're in a course in Schoology and you accidentally delete an assignment, you can always restore it. So if I'm in my sandbox and I say I had created several materials and I accidentally deleted the one that the students had already had already submitted. Oh my goodness, the students are freaking out. I'm freaking out. I don't have any grades to put in the grade book. All of a sudden, all the grades I had are gone because I accidentally deleted an assignment. Well, I can restore those. So here's how you do it. You go under course options for that class and go to the recycle bin. Now, once you're in the recycle bin, you'll see that anything you have deleted in this course is there. And all I have to do to restore it, to get those grades back, or to come back into my class is over here. If I hover over, you see the settings cog appears. I click that and I select restore to. And I can, if it was in a certain folder, I can put it in that folder. Or I can just hit none and it goes right back in the class. So once I hit restore, it'll take just a moment. And now it's back in my class, all the way at the bottom. So that is how you restore lost items in a specific class. Now, also, if you had things in your resources that maybe you had deleted, those are also there too. So if you click on your name and go to settings, you'll notice there's also a recycle bin tab here. So I will click the recycle bin, and there's everything I have deleted from my resources. So I can actually go here and click restore and bring this back just like I did in my class. But I hope this information helps those of you who maybe deleted something and lost something that you didn't mean to. And next week we'll continue on with a little more Schoology information to learn more about Schoology and utilizing Schoology, especially for those asynchronous days. I look forward to working with you each week. Thanks and have a great Techy Tuesday.